Hello everybody, my name is Lannan from Lannan Jewelry, and there was a couple questions on how to apply a jump ring to an object, and I just wanted to demonstrate that real quick. So what I have here is just a piece of sterling silver. It's nothing special. It's just it's probably like a 14 gauge piece of stock. Sorry, I wasn't a little bit more prepared for this. I just kind of decided to do this video real quick after seeing some content on Facebook. So this jump ring's a little tarnished, and normally you'd want to clean and scuff up the jump ring as well as the base or the contact point. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is fire up my torch. I'm using a micro torch. It gets pretty hot. So I'm just going to heat up my jump ring just a little bit. So I put a little bit of flux on my jump ring. I got way more than I needed on this. I'm going to pick up a few, say 3 chips of medium sterling silver solder. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm going to apply the solder to the jump ring right at the seam. But I'm not going to melt it all the way. I'm not going to melt it flush. That in a better position. And so you're not going from really cold to really hot really fast. If you have the ability to, if there's no stones or anything like that in the object, go ahead and warm it up. And then place yourself, and then just slowly bring it back up to the melting point of the temperature that you're using. There. So then I would put this in like a pickle solution, and that would help remove any of the discoloration and the chemicals that are left over from the soldering operation. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.